So if you work too hard but still don't get the results, don't go anywhere. Be till the end of this video, and I'm going to give you 5 simple tools to increase your productivity. 1. When you make your to-do list, prioritize your first 3 things to do. Until the time you do not accomplish finishing the first one, don't go to the next one. Make that sure. Don't jump. Number 2, you will find yourself distracted by many things. So to keep the distractions away, put your phone aside for 50 minutes. Put all your focus in the work, and after that, pick up your phone, do whatever you need to do, and then again, put your phone aside for 50 minutes. Do it twice and you will see an upsurge in your productivity in actions. 3. Always ask for support. Now, there would be places where you are stuck. There would be places where you don't know what to do next. Ask somebody who knows what to do about that particular area. Now, if you do not know anyone about that particular area, a person who can support you, don't worry. Ask for somebody who can support you to find you somebody who can tell you what to do next. 4. Make sure that you speak to a friend once in a day for 5 minutes. It could be any friend. This will give you a feel-good factor which will automatically increase your productivity. And lastly, listen. Whenever your mind says not to do something, go for it. So let me come back to it. If you want to go beyond your comfort zone and be more productive, do whatever your mind tells you not to do, which is in concern to the future, and you will find yourself going up notches with your productivity. So if you like the tools that I just shared with you, or if you're interested to know more about other tools to increase your productivity, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to see you in the next video. My name is Munish Verma. I'm a performance and execution coach, and I've trained over 160,000 people worldwide.